Installing auto emblems can be a great way to personalize your vehicle. Emblems have a great 3D look that vinyl stickers just can't replicate. The first step is to clean the area thoroughly with alcohol. Use something square to get the correct alignment. Don't rely on a level because your vehicle may not be parked completely level. You have to align based on something else you know is straight. In this example, I used the edge of the tailgate here. Mark the area with blue masking tape. Many auto emblems come with adhesive attached. This emblem is from Atomic Concepts and is very high quality. If yours doesn't have adhesive already, we'll cover that later in this video. Peel off the cover of the adhesive and press firmly into place. Maintain uniform pressure for at least 60 seconds. Remember, only do this if the outside temperature is above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow a full 24 hours for the adhesive to cure. We're next going to install an emblem without adhesive. I got this one off of Etsy, and it's an aluminum epoxy mixture. Clean the area with alcohol again and mark its location with blue tape. I used Loctite adhesive, but there are many others that will also work similarly. Make sure it's rated for outdoor use. Clean the emblem with alcohol and apply the adhesive strip, making sure to cover 100% of the back with adhesive. Trim it to fit exact. Peel off the adhesive cover and press firmly into place, again for at least 60 seconds. Allow a full 24 hours for it to cure, so avoid driving during this time to avoid jostling. I've had these emblems on for about a month so far, in rain and hail, and so far they're holding up well. They look great and are an easy, inexpensive way to personalize your vehicle.